Summer Vasilis, and this video is waxing blonde legs. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to wax the hair when it's hard to see. To start, you always want to prep your area with powder. Sometimes this will help allow you to see those blonde hairs a little bit better as well. And next you want to section out your area. You want to stay very consistent with your sectioning because that's going to allow you to have a line to follow. So we're going to start at the hip to the knee. You want to apply wax to the entire section and try to create straight lines so you have an easy line to follow for your next application. You want to remove your wax. Many times the skin will turn slightly pink, so it will be easy to see where you've left off, but also where we have that layer of powder and where there is no powder because the wax pulled it off. I have a nice line to follow here as well. By working section by section, it'll be easy to remove all of the hair regardless of what you can see and what you can't.